It's djcaseuk here. In this video I'm just letting you know what my YouTube channel's about. I'm going to be passing on years and years of knowledge of how to make music, looking at different DAWs, looking at different VST instruments, plugins, that sort of thing, and just start making music. You know, if you're interested in that kind of thing, subscribe. If you're already a channel subscriber, thank you very much. That does me a massive, great deal to me. And yeah, just keep enjoying my videos. You're still going to get the same kind of DJ case kind of stuff, but just being delivered in a different way. Hopefully that complies with fair use to anything which might be sampled. Be sure to subscribe, share the videos, and I hope you enjoy the content. That's it. Alright, hope you enjoyed this first video. Thumbs up.